Kookoo, oh the turtle, come along and play. We learn new things in a fun, fun way.
I puked! Sticky like Kookoo! Kookoo the turtle goes slow, slow, slow. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle as he goes, 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 with a smile on his face and a happy little hum. Kookoo's ready for some fun, fun, fun. Ho! Kookoo! Coo! Coo! Kookoo! Kookoo, wave hello! He shakes his shell and says, let's go down to the beach or up the hill. Kookoo's heart is kind and still. Kookoo loves to splash and play in the water every day. With his flippers he can glide so free, dancing in the deep blue sea. Kookoo, Kookoo, wave hello! He spins around and says, let's go to the pond or playground slide. Kookoo's friends are by his side. He helps a crab, he hugs a fish, he makes a wish on a jelly dish. Slow and steady, sweet and bright, Kookoo makes the world feel right. Kookoo, Koo, clap your hands, let's explore the sea and sand. Sing along with our turtle friend, Kookoo's love will never end. Ivory Coo, let's a fume sound.
Swim along, Kookoo the turtle, under the waves where the starfish twirl. Bubbles go pop and the seahorses giggle. Wiggle your fins with a bubbly wiggle. Here comes Sammy the smiling shark, zooming fast like a racing spark. He's not scary, just full of fun, playing tag in the morning sun. Carry the crab, clicks, clacks on the sand, waving hello with a dancing hand. She plays pat a shell with such delight, then hides in a shell till the time is right. Swim along, Kookoo the turtle, under the waves where the starfish twirl. Bubbles go pop and the seahorses giggle. Wiggle your fins with a bubbly wiggle. Dolly the dolphin flips in the air, spinning and twirling everywhere. She splashes down with a giggle and grin. Come on, Kookoo, let's jump in! Ollie the octopus has 8 arms wide. He juggles seashells with joy and pride. He hugs his pals with a squishy squeeze, then dances softly in the ocean breeze. Swim along, Kookoo the turtle, under the waves where the starfish twirl. Bubbles go pop and the seahorses giggle. Wiggle your fins with a bubbly wiggle. Mimi the mermaid sings so sweet, with shiny hair and a clamshell seat. She teaches songs to the seahorse choir. Their bubble notes float higher and higher. Tiny the fish has color so bright, red and yellow a sparkly sight. She plays peekaboo in the coral cave, wiggling fast with a rainbow wave. Swim along, Kookoo the turtle, under the waves where the starfish twirl. Bubbles go pop and the seahorses giggle. Wiggle your fins with a bubbly wiggle. Inky the squid can squirt and zoom. He paints the sea with an inky plume. Let's draw stars, he says with glee, making art beneath the sea. Grandpa Turtle swims slow and wise, with ocean tails and twinkly eyes. He shows Kookoo where the seagrass grows and where the moonlight gently glows. Swim along, Kookoo the turtle, under the waves where the starfish twirl. Bubbles go pop and the seahorses giggle. Wiggle your fins with a bubbly wiggle. Wanda the whale sings deep and low, Her song makes the sea foam glow. She gives a ride on her giant tail as Kookoo waves like he's setting sail. Skip the shrimp is small and quick. He plays hide and seek behind a stick. He peeks out with a little cheer. I found you, Kookoo, you're over here. Swim along, Kookoo the turtle, under the waves where the starfish twirl. Bubbles go pop and the seahorses giggle. Wiggle your fins with a bubbly wiggle. Now it's time to rest and snore. The ocean hums a sleepy roar. Each sea friend finds a cozy place with sandy dreams and a soft embrace. Swim, swim, sleep with Kookoo the turtle, round and round in a dreamy circle, snuggled in seaweed under starry skies with ocean friends and lullabies.